Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I wanted to do an experiment using 4 colors and using a different cell activator. So the 4 colors are going to be the ultramarine blue by Liquitex, peacock by Deco Art, bronze by Liquitex, and green by Liquitex. So you'll have to stay to the end to see what the cell activator is going to be. It's going to be a surprise. For the surprise, I just used Amsterdam black oxide and water. I'm so surprised with the results. Didn't expect sales like this. So if you want to save some money, maybe you could try this next time. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, so amazing. Oh my God, this is so pretty.